Just 2 months remain till the iPhone 15 is released. In September, which is not too far away, Apple often unveils a new lineup of iPhones. The good news is that the leaks have already provided a clear view of the future iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone Pro Max models. There aren't much specifics available for the Plus edition, but the company is anticipated to release it as well. The USB Type-C connector, which replaces Apple's Lightning port seen on earlier models, is one of the main modifications that the 2023 iPhones are said to include. The iPhone 15 series is said to have a punch-hole display design, and this is expected to appear on all models. Apple is reportedly having production-related difficulties with the new appearance, so the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, which were originally believed to have a buttonless design, are now expected to ship with conventional button designs. This means that the old 2-button volume control design will still be present. However, this does not imply that the company has ruled out making other modifications to the 2023 iPhone's design. The old mute switch button may be replaced with a new design, if leaks are to be believed. The new one could operate similarly to the customizable action button that we have seen on the Apple Watch Ultra. However, it's possible that this will just apply to Pro models, with the standard iPhone 15 models maintaining their old mute feature. Apple is reportedly planning to include bigger camera modules at the rear of the phones, according to the leaks. On the iPhone 15 series, the bezels may be a little slimmer, giving the screen a little more room to breathe. To improve grip on the gadgets, the Pro models are also believed to have more contoured frames. The next iPhone 15 has had several of its specifications leaked online before its official release. The phone is expected to feature the same Bionic A16 chipset that Apple used in its iPhone 14 Pro models from the previous year. The company used this strategy for the first time last year when it offered flagship phones at a lower price point with processors that were older than a year. With the upcoming models as well, this approach is anticipated to be used again. Meanwhile, Apple's newest Bionic A17 chip is probably going to be used in the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, which are anticipated to be the most costly smartphones of the year. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.